welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are going to do something very exciting here on this channel, and that is trying out items that Instagram suggested for me to buy. So I've got 3 fun items here that I think we're going to enjoy, and I am currently not on social media for a myriad of reasons. However, I've been stockpiling these items for a while because due to COVID, that wonderful situation that we're all currently stuck in, this all took a while to get to my house. So with that being said, I thought we would hop in, open up the items, try them on, give them a test, see what we think, and go from there. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So the first item that we have here is from Moitie Cosmetics, and these are their 10-day lashes. So jumping into the actual package itself, these I've gotten such a long time ago. I'm trying to actually remember what they are. I think they're a temporary lash kit, if I remember. So when we get into that, oh, comes with a really cute sleeping mask, precious. And then it also has, what is this? Oh, okay, the order and everything, I think. Let's see, what is all this? So I spent $40, give or take $37 on the eyelash kit. It's giving you instructions. So essentially, yeah, this is basically like a temporary 10-day lash kit. So we will be trying these on. We will be giving them a test, seeing if they're worth the hype. But getting into the actual kit itself, you get what looks like, oh, okay, this is way different than I thought it was gonna be. So these are the lashes, and as you can see, they come in sections as you apply them. I'll be honest, I thought they were individual lashes. My mistake, and they feel really nice. They're also very long. So I don't know how I feel about that. But it's okay. We're gonna give them a try. We're gonna see how it goes. And then it comes with a cute little pink spoolie down at the bottom as well. Okay. And then it also comes with the lash removal gel. And I'm assuming the glue. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so this is the priming glue, and oh wow, that's a lot more intense than I thought it was gonna be. The little, what are these called? Lash placement tool thing. Let me know down in the comments below what this thing is actually called. I know you all know. But yeah, so this is the kit, and this is exciting. I think we're gonna really enjoy this. These lashes are pretty ridiculous though. So yeah, let's go ahead and try them on. Hi friends. So today it is the day that we are trying out the Moitie Cosmetics lash extension kit. I'm very excited. I'm very nervous. I believe I'm pronouncing that name right, Moitie Cosmetics, but these are the lash extensions that I picked out. These I think were the most natural kind of lashes, and these are still pretty ridiculously long. So I'm a little nervous about the process, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Wish me luck. So I have all of the material I need here. We have the priming glue, we have the tweezers they said, which are pretty substantial like tweezers, which is pretty impressive, and most importantly we have the instructions. So the first thing we need to do is clean off my eyes, which I did a little earlier. They're pretty dry, and it says you're supposed to have them be completely dry and clean before application, and then they recommend applying these in the morning so you can allow the glue to cure during the day. So we're going to go ahead and pull my hair back. I apologize, this is a terrible angle, but I'm working on getting a tripod for my desk. So let's go ahead and get into this. So the next step it says that I need to do is go ahead and curl my lashes. Easy enough. I think I'm just going to do one eye at a time because my eyelashes tend to fall pretty easily, and I'm not going to like super curl them because then my eyes tend to get a little too curled and that might make it hard to add the lashes. I'm also going to grab a mirror because this is really hard to do in a viewfinder. Okay, next you're going to shake the glue bottle before use, drop 2 to 3 dollops of glue onto your lash tray. What's my lash tray? Don't forget to immediately close the bottle, which prevents the glue from drying out. Okay, I'm just gonna pull all this out of here. And we're gonna see what we're working with. I think this is supposed to be the lash tray. That's what it looks like in the picture. So we're gonna go with that. I'll be honest, I don't know how I feel about it being black. Apologies also if you can hear the guinea pigs in the background. They're on a rampage today. Okay, so we put the glue on the tray, closed the glue bottle. Now we're going to remove the lash segment from the tray using the tweezers. Make sure to grab the segment very close, not the lash tips. Okay. How do I want to do this? So this is the left eye. Try not to spill the glue. Oh gosh, okay. I'm just gonna try and do this and we're just gonna watch me figure this out. Okay, okay. Sorta, kinda. Oh my god. No, no, crap. I took it up in my finger. Oh gosh, okay. Okay. Let's try this again. This is not working. Okay, hang on. Okay. Let's try this again. We're gonna try with a different piece and go like out to in. I think that might work a little better. Nope. Okay, I just, okay. We're going on to the other eye because I can't deal with the train wreck that is this eye right now. I can't do it. I can't do it. Can't do it. Okay, friends. We're gonna be real talk right now. I clearly am not a lash person. Like, I don't know how to do lashes. This from far away, passing, cool, could pull it off. Up close, a freaking train wreck. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it looks like garbage. So, I'm gonna try and see if I can get it any better, but if not, I'm probably just gonna take it off because I can't with the way that this is looking in person. It looks awful. So, there you have it. Okay, friends, I need to take this crap off my eyes. It looks awful. Shockingly, this side kind of came out better, but it just, on camera it totally doesn't look as bad as it does in person. Oh, that's such an extreme close-up. But do you see, like, oh, it's so bad. Can't do it. Gotta take them off. I'm sticking with my falsies that are sticky. I'm sorry. Hard pass. Dried glue, dried glue, dried glue. My eyes look so crusty and they feel even more terrible. Nope. Taking these off, even worse. A hard pass. A hard pass. Alright friends, so our next item is from the brand Peppi Gel, and I saw them advertising a dip powder kit that I was very intrigued by. So getting into the actual package itself, let's see, it looks like you get the instructions, very helpful, and throwing that away. Okay, oh wow, okay, so it looks like you get a, oof, that's my order, a little buffing block thing with a couple different textures on the sides and the top, and then you also get the different gel polishes. So this is a step 1, step 2, and a step 3, and I'm pretty sure the instructions will tell me what I need to do with each of these. And then I also got the color, oh wow, this is really pretty. This is the color, so they had Quarantined, which of course I had to get the color Quarantine, which if you guys can see is this really pretty, like almost duochrome, green, blue, gray, stunning color. So it looks like there's a little bit of sparkle in there too. So I'm excited about this. This should be very fun. So let's go ahead and put it on my nails and see what we think. Hi friends, so I just got done filming the video portion that you just saw, and I'm so excited to be trying out the Peppi Gel dip powder system. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and put this on my nails. Let's do it. Okay, so following the instructions, I already prepped my nails, wiped them down with acetone, filed and shaped them as needed. So now it looks like we apply the step 1 to my nails. Easy enough. Alright friends, we needed to get a close-up for this first dip. This polish is beautiful. Ignore the slightly janky job and the fact that I'm like covered in the stuff, but like look how stunning that color is. I'm so impressed, and this is only the first dip, so I'm gonna do maybe 1 or 2 more layers and then come back and show you guys what it looks like. And it's not too thick too, which is nice. I feel like dip powders have a tendency to get thick really quickly, so yeah, I'm enjoying this so much. Ta-da! Alright friends, as I mentioned previously, I am not an expert manicurist, so be gentle with me, but these are the nails. They're a little bit more green than I expected them to turn out to be. I definitely thought they'd have more of like the gold undertone, but they are very pretty. I hope you guys can see like the gold reflex. They're so shiny. The only thing that I noticed these versus another dip kit that I used recently was when I put on step 3, I noticed a very solid burning feeling. It was not painful. It went away in a couple of seconds, but my fingertips felt very warm. So I'm really not sure what that was. I'm going to kind of keep an eye on my fingers and see how they feel, but they feel completely fine now. Here's the other hand that I did a much better job on. And yeah, they're not too thick. They're pretty cute. I'm pretty gosh darn satisfied. So there you go. Alright friends, and the last purchase that I have for things that Instagram suggested for me to buy is something from Wholesome Culture. I saw them recommending some really cute sweatshirts on Instagram and had to pick them up. Given everything that was going on in the world currently, I thought this would be a great sweatshirt to have. So let's go ahead and dive in. Cute. Ooh, it feels soft. Alright friends, so this is the sweatshirt. Look how cute. I got it in this really pretty olive green color. I thought for some reason I got pink, but I mean, girl's all about olive green. So this is the front. It says Wholesome Culture on the front, and then the back, so obsessed. Being kind is cool. Like, how awesome is that? Truly inspiring. Love it. Okay, so we will go ahead, try this on. I'll be honest, it's hot here in California, so this is definitely going to be like a more cozy sweatshirt time, especially when it gets nice and cold. And this, to be fair, I also got in a medium, which it looks like I probably could have gotten a small and been good, so this is probably going to be a little bit oversized on me, but I'm not mad at it. It's going to be comfortable and cozy, and I'm here for it. Hi friends, so real quick clip, just want to show this to you guys with it on my body. This is the sweatshirt. I'm obsessed. It's so warm and cozy and comfy and just has such a great message, and I think it's wonderful. So yeah. Alright friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments below anything you guys should think I should check out on Instagram or other social media to try out for you all. I will also be leaving all of the brands linked down below so you can check out any of their products. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!